If you use Windows 10 or Windows 11, you've probably noticed something. Microsoft really wants you to sign in with a Microsoft account, but many users still prefer using a local account for privacy and control. So in this video, I'll compare both options, local account and Microsoft accounts, breaking down how they work, their pros and cons, and which one is actually best for you. Stay with me till the end because the final verdict might surprise you. Let's start with what a local account is. A local account is the traditional way of signing into Windows. You don't need an email, phone number, or internet connection. You simply create a username and password, and your account stays entirely on your device. It's simple and private. Pros of a local account. First, privacy. Since it doesn't connect to Microsoft servers, your data stays local. You're not sharing activity or personal information online. Second, it works completely offline. You can log in and use your computer even without internet, perfect for minimal users or secure environments. Third, it supports passwordless login options like PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. And finally, it gives you full control. No syncing, no automatic sign-ins, no account tracking. But there are some drawbacks. With a local account, you don't get access to cloud services like OneDrive, Microsoft 365 syncing, or Windows settings backup. Security features are also limited. You won't get BitLocker Drive encryption by default. And if you ever lose your password, recovery can be harder because there's no email link to reset it. Now, let's move on to the Microsoft account. A Microsoft account uses your email address to sign into Windows and other Microsoft services. You may already have one if you've used Outlook, Hotmail, Skype, Xbox, or even OneDrive. This type of account connects your Windows system to Microsoft's online ecosystem. Pros of a Microsoft account. First, seamless syncing. Your settings, gear swap, passwords, wallpapers, Microsoft Store apps, and even browser favorites sync across multiple devices. Second, cloud storage. You get free OneDrive storage for file backup and access anywhere. Third, stronger security options. You can enable BitLocker encryption and two-step authentication for extra protection. Finally, it gives you instant access to many Microsoft services like Xbox Game Pass, Microsoft Store apps, Skype, Edge, and Office without extra logins. But yes, it also has downsides. You need an internet connection for setup, and Microsoft collects some usage data, which raises privacy concerns for some users. If your password gets hacked and you don't enable two-step verification, the attacker could access everything linked to your account. And lastly, if Microsoft locks or suspends your account for any reason, you could lose access across all your connected devices and services. So now, the big question, which one is better? Well, it depends on your needs. If you prioritize privacy, want full offline control, and don't care about Microsoft's ecosystem, then a local account is the best choice. It's great for personal systems, business security environments, or anyone who dislikes online tracking. But if you want convenience, cloud backup, cross-device syncing, BitLocker security, and access to all Microsoft services, then a Microsoft account is a smarter option. It simply makes Windows more powerful, especially for students, gamers, professionals, and families. Final verdict. Neither is better for everyone. Choose based on your priorities. Pick local account if you value privacy and simplicity. Pick Microsoft account if you want features, security, and cloud connectivity. Personally, I recommend using a Microsoft account with two-step verification enabled. This gives you convenience and security without sacrificing too much privacy. Thanks for watching. Comment below which one you prefer, local or Microsoft. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech comparisons. See you in the next one.